tayo may pinagdadaanan, right? But my suggestion to all of it is you just show up. Show up. Even if it's hard, even if it's not easy, you just show up. May difficult team member, show up. Show up and be a better leader. Show up. Kahit pagod ka rin, puwet ka din, show up. Here's one of the things that I live by. He who is faithful with little will be faithful with much. He who is faithful with little will be faithful with much. If you can't be entrusted with little things, how can you be entrusted with bigger things? If you want promotion, for you to be promoted, and more responsibilities, tingnan mo muna, yung sa role mo ngayon, ginagawa mo ba yung best mo? Nagiging faithful ka ba? Kasi ba't ka ba pag-i-entrust ng more responsibility? Eh kung sa trabaho mo nga ngayon, hindi mo ginagawa yung best mo eh. Hindi mo na-hit yung target, ba't ka bibigyan ng promotion? Yan ang nakukuha nyo. It's not just work, but in all things. He who is faithful with little will be faithful with much. Sometimes, nagiging picky pa sa workload. Bakit binibigay sa akin workload? Eh, yan yung binigay sa'yo. Yung importante, at least, hinaharap mo at gumagaling ka dyan. Because it's not just about doing the work eh. Or not doing the work. It's really who you become in the process. That's why, for me, even before when I was younger, lahat ng work, kahit hindi ko trabaho, kinukuha ko kasi gumagaling ako eh. Ngayon, it helped me become who I am now. Again, I'm not saying na gawin nyo automatic yung hindi yung trabaho. I'm saying is, it will be an added bonus sa'yo kung alam mo, hindi lang trabaho mo. And you have the character and integrity to lead that responsibility.